Weather Centre. A cold front and a cut-off low is causing a lot of cooling over the western and central parts of South Africa, with widespread showers and thunder showers over the southern parts of the country, while snow has already been reported in Sutherland. There is a band of mid-level cloud developing on the Highveld and KwaZulu-Natal. That's actually an area of thunderstorm development. We're expecting very good chances of thunder showers over the southern parts of KZN tonight. There is an 80% chance of showers and thunder showers over the southern parts of the Western and Eastern Cape, and snowfalls are very likely overnight over the northern high ground of the Eastern Cape, while showers start clearing in the west. The South African Weather Service warns against disruptive snowfalls overnight and tomorrow over the northern high ground of the Eastern Cape that can result in road closure. There's a warning for gale force southwesterly winds between East London and Durban, with wind speeds exceeding 65 km per hour this evening. And finally, heavy rain will set in along the south coast of the Western Cape, and that watch for heavy rain is effective for the east coast during the course of tomorrow. The very cold weather over the western and central interior will also affect Gauteng overnight, and together with the heavy rain for the southern coastal areas, strong winds are likely as well. Tomorrow the cold front reaches Mpumalanga as well as KZN, where it will be much cooler than it was today. Snowfalls continue over the northern high ground of the Eastern Cape and the southern high ground of KZN, and heavy rain will lash the Eastern Cape coastline and the adjacent interior, but clearance will take place along the west coast, although it will remain very cold. We're expecting a strong push of southeasterly onshore flow over the southeast coast tomorrow. This will result in strong winds over the Eastern Cape as well as the Free State and Northern Cape. Fresh southeasterly winds are likely along the west coast tomorrow afternoon, and wind speeds will reach up to 25 km per hour on the Highveld. Together with the strong winds overnight, we're also expecting very low temperatures tomorrow morning. 2 degrees in Bloemfontein, -1 for De Aar and Uppington, single-digit minimums in the Western Cape, and 10 degrees overnight in East London. Daytime temperatures will remain warm over the far northeastern parts, but otherwise a very cold Thursday is expected. 13 degrees in Johannesburg and Kimberley, 12 for Bloemfontein and De Aar, 7 expected in Sutherland, and a high of only 13 degrees in George. For Friday, we're expecting the showers and thunder showers to continue to affect the far eastern parts, with clearance taking place over the interior, a slow recovery of daytime temperatures, but by Saturday it becomes warm in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your evening.